My name is Stephanie Blankenship. I'm the owner of Importico's Bakery, and I've owned the bakery for 2 years. It's been around for 25 plus years, though. The way I would describe Cybake to another bakery is that it is a great software program to streamline your business. I know for me personally in this bakery, I will say that it literally helped us modernize a legacy business. What we use Cybake for is to basically run our entire production and to allow our wholesale customers primarily to place their order using the online system. We also use Cybake for our retail special store orders. So in essence, it's our entire production is run through Cybake, from wholesale to retail to special orders. It's been life-changing for me. I can't even really express how much Cybake has changed my life personally, because I was the one running all of that. So it definitely gave me a lot of freedom to work on the business more. The impact that we've seen from using Cybake is a reduction in labor for myself and also our staff, a reduction in errors. So we had a lot of human error prior to Cybake. And then we've seen a major increase in wholesale sales. The increase that we've seen in business since using Cybake, we had about 20 wholesalers when we acquired the Cybake program. Now we are at about 100 wholesalers. So that's roughly in basically 24 months or less. So the increase has been not only wholesalers, but as far as financial increase, I would say probably 30 or 40% increase due to Cybake. With Cybake, we are able to basically have a cutoff time in the system. So that way for the bakers, their day is not getting interrupted. They're not being asked to add on products last minute. So it streamlined the production for the bakers, where they come into work, they know right then and there what they need to make. So I think they quickly embraced it, just because it's easier to read also the production printout from Cybake versus a complicated Excel sheet. For any other bakeries or bakers looking for a program like Cybake or anything even similar to it, I would say there's 3 main points that were a no-brainer for me. That first point would be that it absolutely streamlines your production. You can print it all in one spot. You can get reports. You're able to just have clarity on your exact orders. The second point I would make is that it's extremely user-friendly and great for especially for wholesalers. So if you have a big wholesale part of your business, I think that it's really great in helping your wholesalers. And the third point I would make is it's easier on your staff. It's easier to communicate with the staff. It's better to have, not only your retail special orders, but your wholesale all in one place, and the numbers are all right there. So, you can see sales by product, sales by customer, and all those fine details in the reporting part of Cybake.